Hi, I am an English teacher and also a foreign language enthusiast, and my best advice for anyone who's willing to learn a new language is to immerse yourself in the language. And what I mean by that is that you treat this language as if it was your native one. I'll show you some practical tips on how you can use your target language in your daily life so that you can improve your reading, speaking, writing, and listening abilities. Number one, make sure that you consume as much media and content as possible in your target language. I would suggest that you can watch movies if you prefer to read books, and start with children's books, young adult books, more simple ones, and then you can move on to more advanced ones. If you like to cook, you can switch to recipes in your target language. If you scroll on social media quite a lot, you can now watch reels on Instagram in your target language. You can also say your devices, that means your phone, your computer, your tablet, to the target language. There's a lot of different ways that you can be exposed to the target language in your daily life just by using your internet or any materials that you have at hand. Number two, a very fun idea to improve your writing skills and improve your abilities to express yourself is to start a daily journal. And in it, you can write about your daily life, your hopes and dreams for the future, anything you like, or just made up stories. Make sure to be as specific as possible and that your descriptions are quite detailed and that you're using new vocabulary and grammar. So this way you will actually see the improvement. Number three, make sure to talk and think in your target language as much as possible. And what I mean by that is that you can engage in some group conversations, maybe join a class, an online class, maybe find some native speakers, maybe find people in your area that are willing to learn the same language with you. Or if you don't have anyone in your life that wants to learn this language, you can just talk to yourself in the mirror, in the bathroom, before you go to work, before you go to school. This way, I can guarantee you will improve your fluency and you will also be more confident in your speaking abilities. So these are all the practical tips that I'm sharing with you today. I genuinely believe that if you follow this advice, you will be able to speak your target language more confidently and fluently.